Presfle Plus 6 is completely rewritten, with new features and ways of input. You can create 3 types of works. Resistance domain, where you can calculate the failure domain. Stress and strain, even if it has coactions or tensile reacting parts. And the design of the section in reinforced concrete. The input is simply, you can insert sections starting from those defined within the database. Sections that can be made of steel, rather than concrete, timber, masonry, or composite. For example, if you want to insert this section made of steel, you can choose the insertion point, or you can enter a set of filled polygons and holes. So, you can define the points of the polygon itself. In this case, we notice that the section just defined partially surmounts the steel one. It is then possible to create and drill the section just defined with the steel one through a special command. It is also possible to define constant or variable concrete covers that can be useful for insert reinforcing bars. The bars can be inserted along a direction in a predetermined number, or at a predetermined step. The reinforcing bars can be moved freely. You can also import a DXF file, specifying the insertion point. The section can then be recreated through the commands we've seen before. Once the input of the section is complete, you can set your preferences to define the code parameters. And then you can run the verification. Similarly to what we have seen for the domain of resistance, the strain tension analysis allows you to calculate the tensions and investigating the trend at any point. After that, it allows you to produce a report with all the results and diagrams. In the case of section design, it is possible to check a reinforced concrete section. It is available some loads families, last limit states, exceptional, and exercise. Within the preferences, you can go to set all the code parameters. With a click on the various components of the section, Presfle automatically proposes the stress, tension, strain curves according to what is required by the standard. Both the ultimate limit states and the serviceability limit states and the subsequent verification produce graphical outputs, in particular for the moment check for the shear test.